Unusual smells like burnt or electrical odors when your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is running should never be ignored because they can mean serious trouble. So, if you catch a weird smell coming from your HVAC, the first thing you gotta do is switch the system off right away to avoid any danger. Then, give a professional a call, because trying to fix electrical or burnt smells yourself can be risky and might make things worse. Regularly checking your air filters and changing them every 1 to 3 months helps prevent dust buildup that can cause those smells. Keep an eye and nose on your system during startup, since that is often when issues show up. Make sure your vents and ducts are clear of debris and mold, since those can create funky odors too. If you notice your system is overheating or the fan isn't spinning right, don't wait. Call a technician. Also, schedule annual HVAC maintenance so problems get caught early before they turn into scary smells or dangerous issues. Remember, your HVAC is complex with wiring and components that need expert care, so don't skip calling a pro if anything seems off. One of the biggest mistakes people make with unusual HVAC smells is ignoring them and hoping they go away, which can lead to bigger electrical problems or even fire hazards. Always shut the system off immediately. Another common issue is trying to fix the electrical smell by themselves without the right skills, which can be super dangerous. The fix here is to call a licensed technician right away. The third problem is skipping regular maintenance, leading to clogged filters or worn parts that cause burning smells. Staying on top of yearly checkups keeps things running smooth and smell-free. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for any home project, making it way easier to get reliable help when you need it. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for their services so they can grow their business without hassle.